a year drop on it.
So me and Warrior.
Alright.
Chat again,
Alright.
man.
One more thing. When we get to find out about me.
Yeah.
When we get to find out about me lately. I am becoming a celebrity.
True.
Yeah, man. I'm seriously becoming a celebrity. Because last night, me switch off my TV and me see me on the TV same way. Yeah, celebrity thing.
So him real? Tell me now, already send it. Him real? Today, tonight, tomorrow, whenever, on Jamaicans Are Not Real People. We have a few videos and we gonna decide say if this is somebody real or this is somebody not real. Because, as I've always said, us Jamaicans, we're not real people. Because they always say Jamaica is not a real place. So let's start it off like this. Tell me, him a real somebody?
No, sir, can't me alone go through this. So, ladies, be honest with yourself. This is for all of the ladies, them, adult ladies, them we are talking about. Come reason. We never wear that something with them call name catapult in Jamaica. A catapult we call this, you know. Because me I tell you, say, last night, me take my enough self, you know. And me take up on a disco wear last night. Me I tell you, say, me wake up this morning and he pull on me chair for mighty God. Can I tell you about it? Me not wear but none of them something, you know. This don't make yet. Me not like this. Me I go stick to my bingo jars them because me don't know what this. Come like a rock pan nail or hammer.
That coming like a bike. Bike now don't make yet. The catapult. What? I never know that's what it's called. All my years of living, I never know say a catapult that called. I thought it was G-string or tongue or lingerie. She real? Tell me if she real. Which side she depend? Moving forward. No, this a video now. It's more voice note, like. You know, let's watch it and then discuss it.
Me wake up and me ask you say, if you fuck off me in the night, you go tell me about no, you not touch me and you're big. And if you go up in my pussy, I feel it. So all the blood clot my pussy full of come, eh? Oh, it full of come. Bumba wall. See next time you run me in my sleep and I go blood clot wake up with that hood. You hear me I tell you? Stop off my pussy and me asleep, boy.
Give me where blood clot you feel like. You come sleep and me and me I give my money where you feel like. Where you hear about?
Alright, maybe chat about it for a second there or two. Or a few. That is grape. Yes, that is grape. Take off a G. And that a jail time, brother. No, I understand say you and your spouse live or your wife or whatever, baby mother, whatever, your spouse. And you're going drunk and you rub her 2 times and she feel the rub and she push her butt against you and wanna start doing a thing. You see me I say? Or if you're a lady out and she come in and she start rub you down and the next thing you know, you understand? Fine. But see, force yourself into a woman when she's sleeping, brother, that's great. That is great. I was in the comment section, no laughing thing, but you know we have to turn things serious thing not joke. And somebody say, him penis can't that big if him put it inside of you and you know wake up. Or a big, you're something big. Them real? Him real? 11 make a wish. When you see the video, make a wish. Alright, make for me wish now. Let's continue. Me pray to Father say, the song I don't want a song where they gonna copyright strike me or something, cause if you take this song out of the video, this a video that make no sense. You see what them do? Rum soup. tell me now, are us Jamaicans really real people? Him no real, them no real. Anyways, moving forward.
Well, listen now. You see, a man a cheat with a girl. He may stay so bams and she said, don't call 6 o'clock because my man a go reach home. Him not call. You see, if you saw her, she call her anytime she start catch feelings. She f*** up your yard thing. Me have to mute my phone when me never have to mute my phone. My woman now go, she crosses. Blood clot girl understand your role.
Must a movie. She have to understand her role. Like seriously. But me get what you say, brother. True man. A young lady with, well, I don't indulge or engage in cheating. No, I don't. Me moral compass kind of different now. But if you are cheat on me or friend, me especially if you are female, me tell you how to escape and not get caught. Big up all my female friends, them. They're faithful females. Anyways, but yeah, man. Then call on your phone, man. Once then start get a little attachment or you give them something really nice. And if you spend money too, oh Lord. They want your woman know. So they have woman on the road so your woman can't left you. So them can't take over. And guess what? They gonna still live with them and have you. And then they gonna cheat on you just like I don't cheat on them, man. What goes around comes around, brother. And if she cheat with you, she will cheat on you. Anyways, in real or in a real, Jamaicans, we are not real people. Moving forward.
People know what is a style. Big up God, you know. So who know have a problem on the yard? With the grandchildren and the children them take off the gas buckle and can't come to the work.
When they don't want to wash plate.
When they don't want to wash up a human plate. So man say, alright, me can't carry stove with me. Me I take off the gas buckle. You know wrong or right? Don't tell me no people. Big up God, me know that cheat them. Me I carry my gas buckle come to work. Anytime I go work, me I see lady.
When you go home from work.
See there, in carry gas buckle come to work. See workplace here. She carry gas buckle come. Me? Oh God, big up God. You don't know say, me go over Jennifer yard. And the pitney then tell me say, Jennifer take off the gas string, grand pitney go go in gas. Me take some, me know me gas. The Jennifer have your gas. Me take some, me know me gas. Me take some, me know me gas, you know.
I think this take the cake for you night. Jamaicans, we are not real people. You ladies say, alright then, you not wash the dishes, you not do what me tell you to do, you not sweep the yard, you not clean the room, you not study, all you want to do and nyam. Alright, go nyam. The gas is coming with me. Boy, Jamaicans, we ain't real. Jamaica is not a real place, man. Jamaica is God's favorite Netflix channel. I kid you not. And we have a few more videos to go, you know. Jeez. It's a nice lady. What she has now?
My man give me one. Me not left him. No. Me not left my man because him cheats. Whereas if we there for a couple of years well, we make life together, build together, and because him cheat, me gonna left him give a next girl. No girl. Me not left with a broken heart and bear sadness and the next girl act with all of my work for. No. The three of us go in this together. Or the girl have to go. Girl, you have to go because I ain't going. Whereas if a man not disrespect me and he not fling bun on my face, but just find out because my fast or people say, no girl, you got to go because I ain't going. The next girl get happy with all of my work for me left side and only. Nope. Make a fully yam.
The bounty killer say, them can't take your man. Tell them figure from your small and I grow. You want your man they can't take your man. Tell them figure. Girl, better hold on for your man. They with them too long. Me say, alright. Do I need to say anything else? Take your bun, baby, and stay. Enough time we are cook and we get burned, eh? Alright, that is it. She real? Tell me in a comment if she real. We have a few more to go. Which one of them I must play last now? They ain't too bad enough. They ain't too bad. Hey, they ain't too video bad enough, man. Alright, may I play this one?
As you can see, I'm here with some grapes. Some Jamaican grapes.
Stop your fucking nice and see I can them the boy.
They look like grapes. Move from make a little foreign style about. Boy, watch it for myself, man. Lift up. That's up.
Look, me shame. Shame and kill me.
Watch it fry us up with a little foreign style or grip. Get up. Don't ramp up. So like a hey, what if a peanut dread son that in the background? Anyways. Tears come here a while ago. Me open the light the one day. But don't play with the naughty. Don't play with the man them brother. We are chat about grape. Again up. Now summertime I come in here, so you know Guineas ain't gone out. Still as them gone out. I buy a few beginners. Alright then. So him real? Or we not even gonna talk about the youth. We are talk about the person in the background. Him real? Him a Jamaican? No. That means him not real. This is the last one I know.
Just coming from a job interview right over there. The interviewer gonna say, I don't like to hire y'all Jamaicans, don't like to come out to work early. Dice, perdón, ¿estoy hablando conmigo? Dice, you Mexican? Dice, no, soy de Nicaragua. Y'all speak English in Nicaragua? Claro que sí, en Nicaragua habla inglés, patois y español. Oh, my bad. Yeah, man, me get to work. 2 blue barrel me a pack and send down. All of me haters them down here, then go and drink Campbell soup till them weak. A big Campbell soup, me go in there like $1 them.
Oh, if you're a family or a friend or even haters, just don't say a Campbell soup to the soup you know get. For Christmas, summertime and Easter time, I just Campbell soup. But the boss bad man, the boss switch it up, eh man? Hey, to the boss switch it up from patois, from English to Spanish. The man even look Spanish. Talk truth. The man look Spanish when